What will be Tesla's next innovative and groundbreaking product? It's not just about electric cars anymore. In 2025, Tesla is stepping into a brand new domain, your living room. That's right, the Tesla Smart TV is here, and it's creating buzz with its incredible price of just $179. But what makes this product so revolutionary? How does it stack up against the competition? And why could this be Tesla's most exciting innovation yet? I guess in this video we'll explore Tesla's bold venture into the smart TV industry, diving into its futuristic features, competitive strategies, and its potential to redefine home entertainment. So stick around to discover why this isn't just another TV, it's Tesla reshaping yet another industry. If you're excited about Tesla's journey into new territories, hit the subscribe button and help Core Tech reach our goal. Let's get this party started. Unlike other smart televisions on the market, Tesla's Smart TV offers remarkable screen sizes of 55, 65, and 75 inches, along with cutting-edge resolutions of 4K and 8K. This sets a new benchmark for the industry. These visualizations are not merely a step in the right direction, rather, they are a leap into the future. Despite the fact that Tesla has utilized its expertise with in-car displays, such as the 17-inch screen included in its Model S and Model X vehicles, the Smart TV provides an even more immersive viewing experience. However, what actually differentiates it from other products is its advanced display technology. Imagine being able to watch your favorite movies or play games on a screen that supports refresh rates of up to 144 high definitions, regardless of whether you are into action-packed flicks or not. Tesla may combine OLED or micro-LED screens, which are recognized for their deep blacks, rich colors, and superior brightness. Games at a high speed or live sporting events. When it comes to the software system, this television has you covered. The Tesla Smart TV will be powered by Tesla OS, which will provide a streamlined and user-friendly interface. Voice commands, which are powered by Tesla Assistant, will make navigation a breeze. The integration with Starlink for high-speed internet is another game changer, particularly for those who are located in rural places. This connectivity allows you to operate not only the television but also other Tesla products. Buffering and slow connections are no longer an issue. Nothing but uninterrupted gaming and streaming. Imagine being able to check the status of your car's battery, control the temperature in your home, or manage your Powerwall energy storage directly from your television. This level of integration transforms your television into a central command center for your Tesla devices. The Tesla Smart TV is more than just a standalone device, it is a hub for your Tesla ecosystem. Equally impressive are the audio elements that are included. Dolby Atmos surround sound presents an experience that is both immersive and immersive. Flexibility is increased by the addition of wireless communication to Tesla speakers or car sound systems. There are competing models that offer great audio, such as Sony's N95L or Samsung's Neo QLED TVs. However, the integration of the ecosystem that Tesla has created makes the Smart TV a standout option for Tesla enthusiasts. Therefore, one of the most astonishing aspects of the Tesla Smart TV is that its price, which is only $179, is significantly lower than the prices of its competitors. Tesla's forward-thinking production practices, which include the utilization of recycled materials such as aluminum, are the source of this affordable price. Alloys for the set of televisions. Tesla's gigafactories, which are distinguished by their ability to automate operations, significantly reduce personnel and operating expenses, allowing the company to lower costs while maintaining excellent quality. The expertise that Tesla possesses in optimizing supply chains plays a significant role in this regard, from the raw materials to the final assembly. Tesla eliminates superfluous middlemen, assuring efficiency at every step throughout the process. This strategy is similar to the tactics that are used to save money. This is something that Tesla has effectively utilized to its production of batteries and electric automobiles. Tesla is also rewriting the privacy standard in the technology industry. Unlike many other technology companies, Tesla places a strong emphasis on extensive data control. Users of smart TVs will have complete control over their data, which will ensure that they are not subjected to unwanted tracking or advertisements. Because of Tesla's dedication to protecting users' privacy, the company's smart TV is an attractive option for customers who place a high value on the information they provide about themselves. The introduction of the Tesla Smart TV is anticipated to take place during the second quarter of 2025, and pre-orders will begin earlier in the given year. In the beginning, it will be accessible in major markets such as the United States of America, Europe, and China, and it will eventually be expanded to regions such as Japan and Southeast Asia afterwards. The official website of Tesla will serve as the major sales channel, providing customers with the choice of either home installation or delivery. In an effort to widen its reach, Tesla intends to display the smart TV in its retail outlets, providing customers with the opportunity to learn about and experience it firsthand. There is also the possibility that Tesla will work together with platforms like Amazon. However, given Tesla's past, it is likely that supply restrictions are the result of great demand. Early adopters should anticipate delivery delays of between 6 and 8 weeks. With a 2-year hardware warranty that covers faults and a 30-day return policy for software or connectivity difficulties, Tesla ensures that its customers will have a smooth experience as owners of their vehicles. Support enabled by artificial intelligence will deliver assistance that is both prompt and effective. The results of these criteria demonstrate Tesla's dedication to quality and the satisfaction of its customers. It is more than just a product, it is a statement that demonstrates that cutting-edge technology and affordability can coexist with its advanced features. Tesla's smart SMTV is more than simply a product. Integration that is easy and price that is competitive. It is expected that Tesla would transform the smart TV sector in the same way that it altered the automobile market. Do you find that the incomparable price of Tesla's smart TV is the most exciting aspect of this product? Whether it be the revolutionary features or the perfect interaction with Tesla's ecosystem, I would appreciate it if you could share your ideas in the comments section below. Before I leave you go, there is one final hip for you. If you found this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. We would like to thank you for watching, and we will see you in the future video. In order to stay up to date on the most recent technological innovations, please subscribe to Core Electrical Engineering Tech and push the notification bell. Together, we can reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers.